Good day everyone. Welcome to our tutorial today. And in this video, I'm going to be showing us how to use the generator citation feature in Quillbot. You know, when we hear about Quillbot, what comes to our mind mostly is paraphrasing. So I'm here to tell us today that you can do a lot more with Quillbot than paraphrasing. Okay, so today I'm going to show us how to use another feature which is called the citation generator. This is it here. So there are other things. You can use Quillbot for paraphrasing, you can use it for grammar checking, you can use it for plagiarism checking, AI detector, summarizer, and a lot more. However, for you to use some of this feature, you need a paid account. Okay, you need a paid account. As you can see, my account is a paid one. This is a premium, as you can see here. So what does this generate what does this citation generator do? The citation generator helps us to generate citation without us having to do it manually. Okay, it helps us to generate citation without having to do it manually. As you can see, this is what I've been able to do in the past. I've been able to use it to generate these citations without having to do it manually. All you need to do is either to just export it or you copy it individually. So let me show us how it works. Now, if you open your own may be empty, all right, or it may have some built-in samples for you. So all you need to do is, first of all, come to this new list. Okay, click on this new list so that it's going to open up a new page for you. Okay, so I'll just click on this new list. So on this new list, you now edit it to what you want. You first of all need to name the list. Okay, so let me name this list sample. Okay, let me just name it as sample. Then you also select the referencing style you want. Okay, so if it is sixth edition, if it is upper sixth edition, upper seventh edition, or whatever edition you want. So this one, it's already in the seventh edition. You have sixth edition, you have MLA style, you have Harvard style, you have Chicago style, and a whole lot of styles. So once you select, so let me select upper sixth edition, then you select the language you want it to come up. Is it in English, French, German, Spanish? So it is in English. I'm going to allow it to be in English. Then you also select the font style. Okay, select the font style. Is it New Times Roman? Is it Times New Romance, Arial, Calibri, and the rest? So I'll leave it time at Times New Romance. Then the font size, is it 12 font size, 13, 14? So you just select it as it suits you. So once you're done, you save it, and if you save it, it's going to open up a blank space for you, a blank sheet. So as you can see, there's nothing here. So this is where the magic works. All right, this is where the magic works. So let us assume that you're working with this article. All right, this is an article I wrote with my colleagues. You have accountability and transparency in nation building, a COVID-19 experience in sub-Saharan Africa. So ordinarily, if you're not using Mendeley, for instance, ordinarily to do it manually, you have to copy this one, you go and paste it in a Word document. Okay, you paste it in a Word document, you copy the DOI, the volume, the page number, the rest, you arrange it, you do it manually, and the rest. But with this citation generator, you're going to be free from all this. Okay, so all you need to do, when you go back, you are going to see how you can instruct the AI to help you to cite. You can do it using title, that is the title of the article. You can do it using URL. You can do it using DOI, ISBN, or keywords. Okay, so let's start with the title. Okay, so you just copy the title of the article that you're working on. Okay, you go back to the Quillbot citation generator, you just paste it. Once you paste it, you click on cite. Okay, remember it works with network. Okay, so if you're going to see options. Okay, options of things that look similar to what you want, but most times the accurate one is usually at the top. Okay, the accurate one is usually at the top. So if you look here, this is the article that we want to cite: accountability and transparency in nation building. So once you click on it, it's going to help you generate the citation automatically. As you can see, this is it here: Cordelia ON, Ngozi HN, Ebuka AA, then the rest of it. All you can do, if it is just an article that you want to cite, you can just copy it. Okay, you copy it, you go to your Word document where you're working, and you paste it, and you just do a little editing, you justify it, then you reduce the spacing depending on what you guys are using. If it is one single line spacing, if it is 1.15, it is one, if it is 1.5, you do it as it suits you. Okay, so this is how to do it individually. Okay, so you can cite multiple articles. So let's assume that you also wanted to generate the citation for this. Okay, so I've done using title before, so now I'm going to do using keywords. Okay, so with keywords, you can also ask it to generate the citation for you, but the easiest way is just to use title. Okay, is to use title, because sometimes when you put the keywords, there could be other articles that would have the same keywords as you. So let's just use this one. I'll do sites. So it's going to bring up articles that have similar keywords. Okay, so this is an experimental. This is not for me. This is not for me. I think, where is it? This is the article here: Digital Literacy in a Post-Coronavirus Era, a Management Perspective. So you click on it, it's going to generate it, and once it generates it, it's going to add it automatically to your list here. Okay, it's going to add it automatically to your list here, so you can either copy it as an individual citation, or you leave it. At the end of the day, I'm going to show you how to export it. Okay, so let's do one more so that we would have three articles that we're working with. So let me open another of my uh publications. Okay, so let me open this blockchain technology article. Okay, so I'll just copy the title of the work. I'll go to the citation generator. Then it's also very important that the article that you want to cite is online, because it's getting it from online. If it is not visible online, then I don't think there is a way it's going to manufacture the citation for you. So the article that you want to cite must be online. So this is the article here: Blockchain Technology for Cybersecurity Performance Implication. So you click on it, it's going to auto generate it. So this is the citation. Imagine you copying all these things and doing it manually yourself. It's going to be a bit difficult for you to do. All right, so having generated three citations, all you need to do, you can also ask for suggestion on how it's going to appear in text that is inside the work that you're doing. So once you click on this in text citation, it's going to give you suggestion. This is the example of the page numbers, but this is the important thing here. Now, if you're citing the work to be in parentheses, that is, if the citation will be in brackets, this is how it should appear. Then if you're citing it subsequently, this is how it's going to appear, because you have more than two authors already. And if you have more than two authors, subsequently you do it using a tail. This is how upper sixth edition citation works. Okay, then if it is going to come before the parentheses, that is, if you're citing the authors before you now say what the author said, this is how it's going to appear. Now let me show us how to export it. Okay, you can just see this export button here. See the export button here. So just click on export. It's going to download it. So if it downloads it, let me check my downloads. This is the sample here. All right, so this is what I've downloaded. This is what it has been able to generate. Okay, so these are the citations here. There are three in number. So all you need to do is just to edit it the way you want it to appear. I'll just highlight all of them, then I'll justify it, that is making it to be in a straight line. So you just click Ctrl J, it's going to justify. Then you change the spacing. Okay, so it's, I think it's usually depending on where the citation is going to, or what it's being cited, or the department or the conference, depending on the instruction. So I'll do it single line spacing. Okay, then you now add space after paragraph. You click on add space after paragraph so that it's going to give you space after each paragraph. So this is how to use the citation generator embedded in Quillbot AI. All right, so thank you. See you in our next video.